What's up, Fox family? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Track, of course, and listen, I'm gonna get comfortable. Let me get comfortable. Let me take off this jacket. Let me get comfortable. Let me go put this on the hook.
Digit my trap phone. Hit her from the back, I'm breaking her backbone. You buy some work for me, I'm putting tax on. Shoot it in the club, I'm feeling like tax on. Digit my trap phone. All of my sights on it and they loaded. I hit the Bitcoin, it just loaded. Pop me some Percocets, I'm getting loaded. Digit my trap phone. The fans come, then I'm throwing it.
Alright, that's a little bit better. Stretch out. I just got up to the office. I am using the green screen for the first time. And let's talk about the title of this video. A lot of y'all thinking like, what does he mean? He want to clean up his content. So, as of lately, YouTube has been yellow marking all my videos, like before I post them. So like I put them out, like cause they sit on my channel on private until I'm ready to put them out or until I feel like the timing is right. I got a bunch of content shot, edited already and on private on my channel. And you know, if I feel like, okay, I give them this tonight or I drop this, I unprivate them with the thumbnails and all that, and that's how y'all get the videos. But all my videos as of lately, YouTube has been yellow marking. I mean, I request a manual review, I say about 80% of the time, they always turn it green, like the yellow mark is the yellow money sign. If I have it pop up, if I can have it pop up somewhere over here. In the green money sign, I'm gonna have it pop up over here, if it can pop up over here somewhere. I would like all my videos to be green because yellow mark basically means you ain't getting all your money for your videos. That's just to break it down to the basic term of it. You might get some revenue, but all the revenue you could accumulate, you won't, you feel me? Because your content is not suitable for any viewer, basically. I just try to break it down to understandable terms. I can't jeopardize who I am. I can't jeopardize my content, and I don't want to fake nothing. I don't want to fake reactions. I don't want to fake pranks. I don't want to fake skits. Like, I just want real reactions. And I feel like, okay, a lot of my content, I'm gonna just keep it real with y'all. At the beginning, when I first started a year ago, I was using a bunch of females to come on the show and shoot like crazy stuff with the females, crazy videos, just to get attention building quicker, because I feel like I'm a guy and I want to see women. So I know a lot of beautiful young ladies. When I started YouTube, I'm like, okay, I can use them, you know, like, hey, you kind of like leverage. I get some subscribers. You know, my young dogs, they want to see some eye candy. You want to see a piece of candy? It's the candy store. But I also can see how like a lot of my past videos is haunting my future career on YouTube, because I just don't want to be yellow marked, man. Even though half the time they change it back within a reasonable amount of time from yellow to green, I'm still missing out on a few cents. I want all mine, you feel me? So I feel like, and then I want to improve you too. I don't want to stay where I'm at. I want to keep elevating. And I want to make sure that my content gets to as many people as it can. So I do want to stop cussing so much in my videos, off the simple fact that, which I don't think cussing should be like, as long as you're not just constantly, I don't feel like it should be that, but I feel like a lot of stuff got stuck. In my case, I feel like a lot of it has to do with like the things I say, maybe. Cause I cuss a lot. I might say the N-word also. Look, now I gotta say the N-word. I can't even say what I'm trying to say. But I have invested a lot of money in myself, a lot of money in this craft. I got a whole office dedicated to me shooting content and I do want to elevate, and I do want to grow, and I do want to make cleaner content. So I can't, cause you know, I try to motivate all my young guys and try to show them, like, how can I explain this? I feel like as men, we lost touch in this generation, in this society. I feel like we lost touch. I feel like a lot of men are feminine now. I feel like we don't cut grass no more, take out trash. You feel me? We rather find somebody to pay somebody to do it. You know, all this type of stuff, which is fine. But I was kind of raised old fashioned. So like the man's supposed to be the main provider of the family. You feel me? That type of, I grew up a little different. So I grew up using my hands. You feel me? I was hands-on. My hands on. And I just don't want my content from reaching them young guys or being one of them channels parents don't want their kids to watch. Like, I want to get away from that. And I want to kind of go over here where my content is more for everybody. But I can't jeopardize who I am or my ideas, you feel me? I don't want to change that. And I'm not. But I can't stop cussing so much. I can find other words to put in there than my filthy, you feel me? The filthy words that come out my mouth. Plus, I got a daughter now, and one day she gonna look back at all this. And do I really want to be the bad mouth pops that was on the internet talking crazy? Yes, I absolutely do. But I do want her to be able to go and show her father, like, hey, this is my pops. Cool guy, fun guy, and appropriate, and everybody can watch me. Because YouTube, you trying to shut me down. I know what you're doing. You're trying to shut me down. But no, man, a lot of great things have happened to me since I started YouTube. I would like to thank YouTube. But I also know it's a lot of rules. I want to try to abide by the new set of rules, also the old set of rules that y'all had, but updated them again. So I want to try to follow all the rules, stay within the guidelines, so I can get my channel to get a good YouTube push. If I am being judged off my older videos, then I'm just being judged off my older videos. Hey, I'm trying to make cleaner content. You don't pay it if you. I'm growing. You gotta let me grow. I'm a fish. You gotta let me swim. I'm just a fish that jumped out the bowl. But yeah, man, I got a lot of work to do this year. I'm getting a new camera. It's my birthday's in like 12 days. So I'm just excited, man. And I'm pushing. I'm really pushing. And I really want to just bring y'all the best content I can, man. We gonna drop bangers. We gonna build. We gonna link up with people. We got a long road to go, but I think by the end of this year, I done put 1 year in. This is going on my 2nd year. I believe by the end of this year. And I plan on dropping 2 times as much as I dropped last year, this year. So hopefully by the end of this year, and I know by the end of this year, we be in the run-ins or got a viral video. Something is going to happen. I feel it in here, you feel me? And I hope y'all got the same feeling. Because a lot of y'all my dogs. Because y'all be riding for me. Y'all be riding for y'all be riding for the kids. For the kids, y'all be riding. But yeah, man, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Fox family. Join the Fox family. Hit that notification button. Notification bell, so you can see when I'm dropping, because I'm trying to drop on an everyday basis, at least a reaction. I'm at least trying to give y'all a reaction every day. And I'm gonna fill it in with other videos, but reaction, I'm trying to drop one of them for y'all every day. So at least every day y'all got something from me. So be on the lookout for that, because I'm still learning how to use the laptop. I'm almost got it. And once I get it, I'm coming at y'all with a lot more material. But that's it, man. Fox family, what up?